Hello everyone, I welcome you all. Today we are going to see descriptive statistics. Okay, how to do the descriptive statistics of the any data. Descriptive statistics means getting the summary of the data using some of the statistical tools just like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, etc. How to perform this task in the Excel sheet, we are going to see it now. Okay, so I have data with me already. This is the sales data of one of the store. Okay, so on this data for the sales column, we are going to perform the descriptive statistics. You can perform for any numerical column. Okay, if you want to perform for sales, profit, whichever column you want, you can perform on that one. So for that one, we are supposed to go to this data tab here. In above, go to the data tab. In this one, if you observe, there is data analysis option available here. If this option is not available, first you are supposed to add this option. To add this option, simply go to the file. In this file, there is, if you observe, there is options available here. Click on the options. Okay, in that one, to add the file, we are supposed to go to the add-ins. In this add-in, in the manage section, Excel add-in should be selected. Okay, after selecting this one, simply click go. A new tab will open like this. In this one, check the box of analysis to pad. For me, it's already there. Okay, if it is not there, simply check this box and click OK. After clicking OK, you can see here that data analysis will be getting added. Once it is added, simply click on the data analysis. For the data analysis, here there are different options available. In this one, we want to do the descriptive statistics. Simply click on the descriptive statistics and click OK. A new tab will open like this. Okay, it will ask for the information for which input you are going to do the data analysis. For that one, first we are supposed to select the input range. So I am going to do this a descriptive statistics for sales column as I informed. So let's select this sales column. How to select the entire column? Simply click on this one and in the keyboard, press Ctrl Shift down arrow. If you select this one, it is going to select entire column. If you observe here, you can see here, it is selected from E1 cell to the E15001 cell. So this data has 15,000 data points, everything got selected. Okay, after that, if you observe here, labels in the first row. If your first row has the label, that is the column name, right? The first row has the column name. If it is there, you are supposed to check this box. If you are selecting the data directly from this box, then no need to check this. Okay, after that, output options are there. It is asking where do you want to print the output. I want to print the output in the new worksheet. Okay, in the same worksheet, if you want to print the output, select output range and select the box where you want to print this output. Okay, in this one, I want the summary of the statistic. So for that reason, check this box. Okay, if you do these many things, then you are ready to go. After selecting all these options, simply click OK. As it has too many data points, it may take little bit of time. If you see here, you can observe a new sheet has opened with all my requirements. See now, this was the same column, sales column. In this one, we got mean of that column, standard error of that column, median, mode, standard deviation, sample variance, kurtosis, skewness, range, minimum, maximum, sum, count. Using all these statistical tools, I am going to describe about the data. This is how we are going to do the descriptive analysis. Okay. If you want, you can perform with other columns also. Similarly, if I am going to perform with this profit column, okay, again I am going to the data analysis, select the descriptive statistics. Now I am going to select this profit column. Simply, you can select all the data, profit, control, shift, down. It is going to select the entire column. Check this box. I want to print in the new worksheet. I want the summary of the statistics. Simply click OK. Again, a new worksheet is going to open. See, here again you got the descriptive statistics, descriptive analysis of the profit column. Okay, this is for the sales column. This is for the profit column. So in this way, we are going to do the descriptive statistics of the any column. Thank you, everyone.